What if the reason some furniture instantly feels premium the moment you see it has nothing to do with price, but everything to do with the materials working together in the right way? Think about the last time you walked into a modern home, a stylish office, or even a high-end coffee shop. Did you notice how often you saw wood and metal combined in the same piece? A solid wood tabletop sitting on a sleek black steel frame. A shelf with warm natural grain supported by minimal metal brackets. That is not random. That is design evolution responding to how people live today. Right now, furniture trends in the United States are shifting toward durability, minimalism, and sustainability all at once. And combining wood and metal sits right at the center of that shift. In fact, the global metal furniture market alone is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, driven by demand for durable and modern designs. But what is even more interesting is that manufacturers are increasingly blending wood and metal specifically because it allows them to charge higher prices while meeting customer expectations. So why does this combination work so well? Let's start with the most obvious but most overlooked benefit: strength. Wood is strong, but it has limits. It can warp, crack, or weaken over time depending on humidity and usage. Metal, on the other hand, provides structural stability. It resists bending, handles weight better, and holds its shape over time. When you combine the two, something powerful happens. You get the warmth and beauty of wood, supported by the strength and reliability of metal. Now ask yourself this: if a piece of furniture lasts twice as long, does that not instantly increase its value? This is one of the biggest reasons why businesses and homeowners are shifting toward mixed material furniture. Metal frames can maintain integrity for 10 to 15 years or more, reducing replacement costs significantly. That means fewer repairs, fewer replacements, and more long-term savings. But strength alone is not enough to explain the popularity. The second benefit is contrast. And this is where psychology comes in. Humans are naturally drawn to contrast. Soft versus hard, warm versus cold, organic versus industrial. Wood brings warmth, texture, and familiarity. Metal brings precision, sharpness, and modernity. When you combine them, you create visual balance. This is why industrial design has exploded in popularity. It is not just about aesthetics. It is about how a space feels. A room filled with only wood can feel heavy. A room filled with only metal can feel cold. But when you combine both, the space feels grounded yet modern at the same time. Let me ask you something. Why do you think so many modern apartments, offices, and even restaurants use this style? Because it appeals to both emotion and logic at the same time. Now let's talk about maintenance, something most people only think about after they buy furniture. Wood requires care. It can be affected by moisture, pests, and wear. Metal, however, is resistant to termites, warping, and many environmental factors. When used together, metal reduces the weaknesses of wood, making the overall piece easier to maintain. So, instead of constantly worrying about damage, you get a piece that is both beautiful and practical. Here is where things get even more interesting. The combination of wood and metal is not just about function or looks. It is about adaptability. Modern homes in the United States are getting smaller, more flexible, and more design-conscious. People want furniture that can fit different spaces, move easily, and serve multiple purposes. Metal makes furniture lighter and more modular, while wood keeps it visually appealing. Now think about this. If a coffee table can be easily moved, reconfigured, or even repurposed, does that not make it more valuable than a heavy, fixed piece? This is exactly why mixed material furniture is dominating urban markets. Let me tell you a short story to bring this to life. A guy named Daniel works a typical 9-to-5 job in Chicago. Like many people, he wanted to upgrade his apartment without spending thousands of dollars on designer furniture. One weekend, He decided to build a simple coffee table using reclaimed wood and black steel pipes. At first, it was just a project. Nothing serious. But when he placed that table in his living room, something changed. Friends started asking where he bought it. Not how he made it, but where he bought it. That question right there reveals everything. People assumed it was high-end because of the material combination. Daniel ended up making a second table, then a third. Within a few months, he was selling them online. What started as a weekend project turned into a steady side income. Now ask yourself this. Was it just the craftsmanship that made the difference? Or was it the perception created by combining wood and metal? Because perception drives value. And this brings us to another major benefit, market demand. Consumers today are actively looking for furniture that feels unique, durable, and aligned with modern design trends. Hybrid furniture that blends materials stands out in a crowded market and often commands higher margins. This is especially true in the United States, where buyers are increasingly drawn to handmade, industrial style, and sustainable products. Speaking of sustainability, this is another powerful advantage. Wood can be responsibly sourced, especially reclaimed wood. Metal is highly recyclable. When you combine the two, you create furniture that aligns with the growing demand for eco-friendly products. Many consumers today are willing to pay more for items that reduce waste and have a longer life cycle. So now you are not just building furniture. You are building something that aligns with modern values. Let me ask you one more question before we go deeper. If you could create something that is stronger, more visually appealing, easier to maintain, adaptable to modern living, and more profitable to sell, why would you ever stick to using just one material? Because the real advantage is not in wood or metal alone. It is in how they work together. And this is just the beginning of what makes this combination so powerful. Now think about this from a business perspective, not just as a builder or a homeowner, but as someone who understands how value is created and perceived in the market. Why are people willing to pay significantly more for furniture that combines wood and metal compared to pieces made from a single material? The answer goes deeper than durability or design. It comes down to positioning. When you combine wood and metal, you are no longer just selling furniture. You are selling a category. Industrial modern, minimalist luxury, urban design. These categories already exist in the minds of buyers, and they are associated with higher quality and higher price points. So let me ask you this. If two tables cost the same to produce, but one looks like a basic wooden table, and the other looks like something you would find in a high-end loft in New York, which one do you think people will pay more for? This is where the real advantage shows up. The combination of materials elevates perception without necessarily increasing cost at the same rate. That gap between cost and perceived value is where profit lives. Now let's talk about customization, because this is where wood and metal truly shine together. Wood gives you endless variation. Grain patterns, colors, textures. No two pieces are ever exactly the same. Metal, on the other hand, gives you consistency and precision. Clean lines, repeatable shapes, and structural reliability. When you bring these together, you get the best of both worlds. You can create pieces that feel unique, but still maintain a professional, polished look. Think about a customer ordering a custom dining table. They can choose the wood finish that matches their home, while the metal base provides a sleek, modern structure that ties everything together. That level of customization is extremely difficult to achieve with a single material. And here is something most people do not realize. Customization increases emotional attachment. When people feel like a piece was made specifically for them, they value it more. They take care of it. They keep it longer. And most importantly, they are willing to pay more for it. Now let's shift to scalability, because a lot of people assume that custom furniture cannot be scaled. But combining wood and metal actually makes scaling easier, not harder. Why? Because metal components can be standardized. You can create the same table base over and over again with precision. Meanwhile, the wood top can vary slightly, giving each piece a unique identity without slowing down production too much. So instead of starting from scratch every time, you create a system, a repeatable process that still feels custom to the buyer. Let me ask you this. What happens when you can produce efficiently while still offering uniqueness? You unlock the ability to grow. This is exactly how many small furniture businesses in the United States are expanding right now. They are not mass-producing identical items. They are creating controlled variation. And wood and metal make that possible. Now let's talk about longevity, not just in terms of durability, but in terms of style. Trends come and go, but some design combinations stay relevant for decades. Wood and metal is one of them. It has roots in industrial design, but it has evolved into something much broader. You see it in modern homes, rustic spaces, offices, restaurants, and even outdoor settings. That kind of versatility protects your investment. If you build or buy a piece that still looks good 10 years from now, you are not just saving money. You are avoiding the cycle of constantly replacing furniture to keep up with trends. And here is another question to consider. How much money do people spend over time replacing furniture that goes out of style? Now compare that to owning one well-designed piece that continues to fit your space year after year. That is long-term value. Now let's go back to something we touched on earlier, sustainability, but look at it from a deeper angle. Consumers today are not just buying products. They are buying into values. They want to know where things come from. They care about waste materials and longevity. When you use reclaimed wood and recycled metal, you are not just reducing cost. You are creating a story that resonates with modern buyers. You are turning what would have been waste into something functional and beautiful. And that story matters. Let me ask you this. If you had two identical tables, but one was made from newly sourced materials and the other was made from reclaimed wood with a history, which one feels more meaningful? For many people, the answer is clear, and meaning increases value. Now let's bring everything together. Combining wood and metal gives you strength that lasts, contrast that attracts attention, durability that reduces maintenance, flexibility that fits modern lifestyles, customization that builds emotional connection, scalability that supports growth, and sustainability that aligns with today's values. But there is one final benefit that ties all of this together: confidence. When you create or own something that is well designed, durable, and visually striking, it changes how you feel about your space. It reflects intention. It reflects effort. It reflects a certain level of care that people notice, even if they cannot explain why. And that is powerful, because at the end of the day, furniture is not just about function. It is about how it makes you feel in the space you live in every day. So here's the question I want you to sit with. Are you choosing materials based on habit, or are you choosing them based on the value they can create when combined? Because sometimes the biggest upgrade is not doing more. It is combining what already works in a smarter way. If this gave you a new perspective, share it with someone who is thinking about building, designing, or upgrading their space. And if you want more insights like this on design, side hustles, and turning simple ideas into real opportunities, subscribe to the channel. The right combination can change everything.